How to improve your English vocabulary. Learn and remember new words faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Today we're going to talk about something every English learner struggles with, learning new vocabulary. Have you ever memorized a word, but then forgotten it a few days later? Do you feel like you keep learning new words, but you never actually use them? If so, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to learn and remember new English words faster and more effectively. Why do you forget new words so easily? The problem isn't you, it's how you learn words. It's how you learn words. Most people try to memorize long vocabulary lists, or they write down words without using them. The truth is, if you don't actively use a word, your brain forgets it quickly. That's why we need a better method. Step number 1, learn words in context, not in isolation. Instead of memorizing random words, learn them in real sentences. Read a short story or article. Find new words in their natural context. Understand how the word is actually used. Instead of learning the word fascinating by itself, learn it like this. The documentary about space was fascinating. I couldn't stop watching it. Now you understand not only the word, but how to use it naturally. Step number 2, use the word immediately in a sentence. As soon as you learn a new word, use it right away. Write a sentence with the word. Say it out loud. Try using it in a conversation. For example, if you learn the word reliable, write, "My best friend is very reliable. I can always count on him." Say it out loud 3 times. Use it in a conversation the next day. If you use a word 5 times in a real context, it will stay in your memory. Step number 3, connect new words to what you already know. One of the best ways to remember new words is to connect them to something familiar. Use synonyms. Fascinating is similar to very interesting. Use personal associations. Reliable reminds me of my best friend. Use images. Imagine a fascinating sunset or a reliable car. The more connections your brain makes, the easier it is to remember. Step number 4, use AI to learn and review vocabulary. AI can be an amazing tool for learning new words. Use ChatGPT to get example sentences. Use AI flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet. Ask AI to quiz you on words you've learned. Give me 5 example sentences with the word fascinating. AI will give you real-life examples instantly. Step number 5, read and listen more in English. The best way to learn new words naturally is through reading and listening. Read books, articles, or blogs in English. Listen to English podcasts and YouTube videos. Pay attention to how native speakers use words. When you see or hear a word multiple times in real situations, it sticks in your mind. Challenge, learn 5 new words today. Read an article and find 5 new words. Write sentences using those words. Say them out loud. Tell me in the comments which words you learned today. Learning vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. If you use the right techniques, you'll remember words easily and naturally. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.